Good day, DIYers. Today we're going to be installing shutoff valves inside of our RV. For some reason, RV manufacturers do not put shutoff valves at all the individual faucets, so I'm going to install those. First, we'll talk about parts. We're going to use an inline shutoff valve. It's a 1/2-inch PEX, 3/8 compression fitting. On the toilet, I'm going to use a 12-inch, which is a 1/2-inch FIP and a 3/8 compression fitting. On the sink, we're going to use two 24-inch hoses, same thing, 1/2-inch FIP, 3/8 compression fitting. The tools you're going to need is a plastic pipe cutter, a PEX crimping tool. We're going to have a 9 or a 5/8 for these compression fittings and a 1/2-inch to remove the toilet from the floor. I also have bought a universal tool for installing and removing hoses on your faucet. In the description for all of these parts to include part numbers. All right, so I've turned off the water. I've placed this towel to catch any extra water. Now I'm going to disconnect the PEX line from the faucet, connect my new hose so I can measure where the shutoff valve is going to be. So now I know how long this hose is. I'm going to cut approximately near the end. Install my shutoff valve. I'm going to turn the handle slightly to the side so that it's not in the way for anything that may be stored underneath this sink. And then we will install our hose. And then slightly snug it 1/4 of a turn with a wrench. I've turned the water back on. We're going to turn the valves on and check for leaks. See no leaks at the bottom. See no leaks at the top. Next, we'll do the toilet. All right, so we're going to put this down as close to the floor as we can comfortably make it. All right, so we had a little bit of a problem. The hose that was here was the wrong type, so I had to do some rebuild, but now we're ready to install the shutoff valve and crimp it. So next, we'll hook the toilet back up, turn turn the water on and test it. Water's turned back on. We don't see any leaks here. Turn this on. Still no leaks. And we have a toilet. All right, so that's all there is to it.